Imagine you have OnePlus earbuds and they got discharged, but you're not even carrying a charger. How will you charge it now? What if I tell you that your OnePlus phone can help you charge your earbuds? OnePlus 12 comes with a reverse charge technology which can help you charge your other devices using the reverse charging. And this is not the only fantastic feature OnePlus has introduced in this phone. It has many more power pack features that are going to delight you. So in this video, we are going to talk about all the features that OnePlus 12 comes with, and we'll also compare it with OnePlus 11 and let you know if there actually has been an upgrade. So let's dive into this video and know more about OnePlus 12.
Kicking things off with the body and design, the OnePlus 12 maintains that sleek and premium look weighing 220 grams. The glass front and back along with the aluminium frame screams sophistication. Notably, it's IP65 certified, making it both waterproof and dustproof, a feature that evolved from the OnePlus 11. Now, let's talk about the display. The OnePlus 12 boasts a massive 6.82-inch LTPO AMOLED screen with a resolution of 1440 x 3168 pixels. This not only provides an immersive visual experience but also supports Dolby Vision and HDR10+, ensuring vibrant colors and deep contrasts. Under the hood, OnePlus has seriously amped up the performance game. The OnePlus 12 is powered by the Qualcomm SM8650AB Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, featuring an octa-core CPU configuration. Running on Android 14 and OxygenOS 14 for the international version, this device is set to deliver a smoother and more efficient user experience compared to its predecessor. When it comes to memory and storage, the OnePlus 12 doesn't hold back. Configurations include up to 1 TB of storage paired with a whopping 24 GB of RAM. This is a significant leap from the OnePlus 11. Now, let's talk about cameras. The OnePlus 12 packs a triple camera setup featuring a 50 megapixel wide lens, a 64 megapixel periscope telephoto lens with a 3x optical zoom, and a 48 megapixel ultra wide lens. Enhanced with Hasselblad color calibration, this setup promises stunning photos and videos. With 8K video recording at 24 FPS and Dolby Vision support, your content creation possibilities are endless. One of the most exciting aspects of the OnePlus 12 is its charging capabilities. With a 100-watt wired charger, you can go from 1 to 100% in just 26 minutes, and the 50-watt wireless charging isn't far behind at 55 minutes. Now, let's quickly compare this with the OnePlus 11. The OnePlus 11 with its 6.7-inch LTPO3 Fluid AMOLED display and Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset was no slouch. However, the OnePlus 12's larger and more vibrant display, upgraded Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and enhanced camera system will make it a clear step forward. Plus, the mind-boggling charging speeds on the OnePlus 12 outshines the already impressive 100-watt wired charging on the OnePlus 11. If you're eyeing an upgrade, the OnePlus 12 is poised to deliver a next-level experience. Share your thoughts on these exciting developments in the comments below and make sure to subscribe for more such exclusive tech insights.